multimedia know-how sits at the top of LG V20's book of tricks. Focusing on music, this smartphone is stocked with more hardware than most. For starters, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. It also has a toggle-able hi-fi audio mode that takes advantage of 4 digital-to-analog converters, DAC, powered by the ASUS Sabre ES9218 to elevate the listening experience to new heights. The V20 is also stocked with a setup to let you relive your favorite concert recordings or personal jam sessions in high fidelity. With its 3 microphones, this smartphone can record in LPCM, a 24-bit audio format with up to a 48 kHz sampling rate, alongside your video. If you're recording strictly audio, it can record to a 24-bit FLAC file with a sampling rate of 192 kHz. It's empowering to not only have a device that can play lossless files, but one that can record them, too. If you're watching a movie or playing a game, you'll be in for a treat with the 2560 by 1440 QHD IPS display. It pops with vivid color and crisp detail, both outdoors and indoors, and the second screen can keep you abreast of notifications while you're enjoying a diversion. LG even included the ability to tweak the color temperature of the screen to make things easier on the eyes during extended use. One disclaimer: the V20 features a bottom-firing speaker grille, but it sounds rather uninspiring. To top things off, LG is offering a complimentary set of headphones along with the V20 purchase for a limited time, the Band & Olufsen H3. Compared to normal pack-in earbuds, these are a huge step up in quality and really help to show off the benefits of its stacks. Surprisingly, the V20's hardware can make music sound better even with low-tier headphones you might already own. Now, since LG's runs Android Nougat, the topic of Google Daydream VR was bound to come up soon enough. Unfortunately, we're still waiting to hear an official word from LG as to whether the V20 will support the new VR platform. It simply told us that it is being investigated.